guys, welcome to my channel Easy to Learn. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting topic, that is about our universe. Firstly, our universe began almost 14 billion years ago. Today our topic is universe. Do you know our universe began almost 14 billions year ago. So what is the universe? Firstly, the universe is the whole of existence, all of space, matter, energy and time. The universe is so vast as to be unimaginable. यूनिवर्स हमारा बहुत ही बड़ा है, जो जिसका साइज़ हम लोग इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेकिन आपको क्या ये पता है कि यूनिवर्स का साइज़ इतना बड़ा क्यों है? बिकॉज एक न्यूटन ने एक थ्योरी कहा था जिसके अनुसार कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे जब तक फोर्स नहीं लगेगा वो रुकेगा नहीं. हमारा जो यूनिवर्स है वो जब फॉर्म हुआ बिग बैंग के समय, बिग बैंग वाज अ थ्योरी फ्रॉम विच वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट द यूनिवर्स इज एक्सपेंडिंग. इसका मतलब यूनिवर्स जब फॉर्म हुआ तो अनइमेजिनेबली एक्सपेंड कर रहा है इन एवरी डायरेक्शन. इट इज़ एक्सपेंडिंग इन एवरी डायरेक्शन. फर्स्टली, द यूनिवर्स हैज़ नो शेप एंड नो साइज. It is only our imagination and that we observe the size of the universe. Universe हमेशा expand ही करते चला जा रहा है. It is not stopping because there is no any other force. कोई भी force इसे रोक नहीं रहा है expand करने से. And second thing, that firstly what is the matter when the universe was formed? When the universe was formed, the universe contained dark energy which consists of 68% of total universe. Second, dark matter 27% and 5% others matter. Secondly, what are 5% other matters? It consists of 75% hydrogen and 23% helium. Secondly, what are the two other percentage? The two other percentage were other elements like oxygen, nitrogen, 2% other elements. You know one thing, the universe is at least 99.9999% empty space. It means that only in 0.00001% the whole universe, what we see, the celestial bodies, the stars, the moons, the comets, the dwarf planets, the nebula, what we see, it's only in 0.0001%. We all know we live in earth. We live on earth. Earth is almost 12,756 kilometer wide. Our nearest neighbor in space is the moon. It orbits the earth at a distance of 3,84,400 kilometer. It is at a distance of 3,84,400 kilometer. Secondly, where is the earth? The earth is in our solar system. The earth is in our solar system. The solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. As we all know, the Milky Way galaxy is in the universe, but there are something in between the universe and the Milky Way galaxy. Like Milky Way galaxy is in local group of galaxies. Milky Way is in local group of galaxies and it is in supercluster. And the supercluster, many superclusters make a universe. A important and very interesting topic that I am going to tell you is that, is there anybody out there? One of the biggest questions in science is whether life is unique to Earth or has arisen on other worlds also. And if life has appeared elsewhere, could an intelligent being have evolved? Is there any other being which is more intelligent than human? Scientists have set up projects to watch and listen for signals from extraterrestrials and messages have been sent to stars to inform any alien out there of our existence. It means that scientists ने बहुत सारे messages भेजे हैं extra terrestrial, means the planets which are far far away, light years away from earth. They have sent the messages to that planets that is there any life out there which can help us or from which we can take help. So how we send message and what this message have we sent? We have sent message by a radio telescope which send message to the outer world by laser beam techniques or by light techniques. So we have sent message like we have sent shape of DNA molecule. We have sent our shape of DNA molecule. Secondly, structure of DNA molecule, structure and chemical formula of DNA molecule, chemical formula of DNA molecule, and we have sent that what is the position of Earth in the solar system and human figure and population of Earth in 1974. It was sent in 1974 about the human figure and the population of Earth. Thank you.